Hey teachers, this is a lesson for grades 3 through 5 that will help your students summarize the important details in a paragraph and come up with the main idea. Included in your lesson, you have a couple pages of the instructions that I'm about to demonstrate. You should also have a page of cards that you will cut out, and these are all the details. You should have a teacher's copy of the article with the subheadings filled in, and then you'll also have a student copy of the article where I've erased them because the students will have to come up with the main idea of the paragraph and write it up here for the heading. So the first thing you'll want to do as a teacher is copy these pages, one per student, and then also have this one, just one per teacher, and you'll want to cut out all of these cards. So when you do that, you will have about this many right here for your class. Don't worry about these things when you cut them out. These are actually the answers, but you can just throw those away. So now you have all of these details cut out, and then each student has a copy of the Holiday Traditions Around the World article. Now you'll want to pass these out and give each child in your class a different detail, so they're spread out around the room. So you'll start with your class and read the first paragraph. As you're reading, whenever the kids hear their detail read aloud, they're going to stand up. So after I read the first paragraph, then let's see, it says this word, so this kid would stand up, this kid would stand up, this one, and this one, and also this one. So now these kids are standing up, and the rest of the kids with these detail cards are sitting down because theirs haven't been called yet. So this group of 5 kids would get together and have to look at their details and come up with what is the main idea. After they come up with the main idea, they're going to write it in the blank right here. So they'll probably figure out that all of these details are about celebrating Christmas in Alaska. So now those kids can go sit down, and you still have the rest of your class with their details. Now you'll want to read paragraph 2. As you read paragraph 2, whenever the kids hear their word read aloud, then they will stand up. So you'll have, let's see, this kid, and this kid, and this kid, and this one, and this one. So once again, these group of kids will get together and decide, well, what do all of our details have in common? And they'll figure out, well, that's how they celebrate the holidays in South America, and they'll write it up there. So you keep doing that for all of the paragraphs until all of the details are used up and all of the kids have filled in all of their subheadings on the article. So that's the first page, and then you'll just repeat the lesson for the second page. So now you'll want to cut out the second page of details and have the kids read the second page of the article. And you can do this with the same level of support, or if the kids are getting it on their own, they might be able to do these with their groups a little more independently. And then you will also have the answer key to check to see if they're answering them correctly. And that is how you do the lesson for Holiday Main Ideas.